All right, everybody. Yes, your mic's off and your camera's on, all of you. All of you take out your maths copies. Take out your maths copies. Write today's date. Write today's date, all of you. Today is the month of August. Okay? The first day was Sunday. The second day is Monday. So today is 2nd of August. Okay? And yes, happy Friendship Day to all of you. Yesterday I missed saying to you all. Are you all my friends?
Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day.
Thank you. Thank you. Same to you all. Okay, good, great. Thank you. Thank you and same to you all. Okay, write today's date in your maths copies. Then I will share the screen in which you all have to... Happy Friendship Day. Thank you so much. Okay. Now we can start doing work in our copy. Now you have to write, all right? Now you all have to start writing. So take out your copies. And I will share the screen with you all. You all have to start writing with the subtraction facts. You all have to write the subtraction facts first. Then we will do a sum. So start writing the subtraction fact on the top. Start writing this. Till the time I'm opening the page, you all can start writing this. Okay? Start writing the heading. Start writing the heading subtraction fact. Start writing this. Write today's date and write subtraction fact. By the time I'm opening the screen and sharing it to you. Yes, we're almost there. And now, children, pay attention, all of you. Now I will start dictating to you all. I will start dictating to you all. You will all listen and write. Pay attention. You will all listen and write. Okay? I know many of you can do and few of you cannot do. But you all will start. Okay? You will all understand. So I will start dictating and you will start writing. So write the heading on the top, subtraction fact. Write the topic, subtraction fact. All of you write the heading, subtraction fact. S-U-B, sub, tra, T-R-A, tra. Track, C, T-R-A-C. Subtract, subtraction, T-I-O-N. Subtraction. T-I-O-N. Okay? Subtraction, then one finger space, then one finger space, and write fact. F-A-T, F-A-T, sorry, F-A-C-T-S. F-A-C-T-S. Facts. F-A-C.
मैम नोटबुक में लिखना है.
कौन पूछ रहा है? त्रिशा, आपका ध्यान कहाँ रहता है क्लास में? ओपन योर माइक एंड टॉक टू मी.
प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी ना, इसलिए मैं लिख नहीं पाई.
आपके घर में कौन सा म्यूजिक?
प्रॉब्लम आई थी ना, इसलिए मैं लिख.
आपके कमरे में म्यूजिक आ रही है कोई, आप कैसे सुनोगे फिर मुझे? प्लीज मेक योर रूम साइलेंट. ओके, you have to take out your maths copies, write today's date and write the heading subtraction facts. मैं डिक्टेट करूंगी, आप लोग लिखेंगे, ठीक है? Subtraction fact, facts. यहां तक लिख लिया सबने? सबने लिखा? Trisha, I am repeating for you. Listen carefully. आर्यन दशपुत्र, अगर आप अब अपनी सीट को छोड़ के जाएंगे तो मैं आपको वेटिंग रूम में डाल दूंगी. You are not supposed to leave your chair. Nobody is going to move out of the chair. You will not jump out of your chair. Okay? Now Gitanshi is joining. Still somebody has not joined. Someone is still missing. Gitanshi, why late in the second period? What happened in the first period?
Light off थी मैम.
Light off थी? What language is this?
Light गई थी.
What language is this? This is English and this is maths period.
Sorry ma'am.
Say there was a power cut. Say, ma'am, there was a power cut. Repeat. Repeat, Gitanshi. Gitanshi, repeat. There was a power cut.
There was a power cut.
Power cut means there was no electricity. Okay. You have to try speaking in English. Yes, beta, you have to try speaking in English. Yes, now my whole class is there. Fantastic. Nice. Clap hands for everyone. Clap hands for yourself. Clap hands for yourself. All of you, quickly. All of you clap hands for yourself. All of you are present. I am feeling so happy. I am feeling so happy. All of you are there. Yes. Clap hands. Very good. Now I want to see this strength every day. Okay? Then I will understand that you all love me. Okay? Then I will believe that you all love me and you want to attend my class. Good. Hanishi, you did not take your breakfast today? You did not have your breakfast, you're eating your pencil. Tasty, Anna? Is it tasty? It's tasty than your milk and bread? Is it? No? Or yes? No? Then please don't eat. Because it is not at all tasty and it is not at all healthy. Okay? All right. Nobody is going to jump out of the seat. Mr. Aryan Dashputre, you will not jump out of the seat. No. Don't jump out of the seat. And now everybody is on the same page. Trisha, have you written? Trisha, where is you? Why? I told you to write na subtraction fact, वो तो book में लिखा है. It's written in the book itself, subtraction fact. Quickly note it down. Subtraction fact. Just write the heading. Quickly write the heading. Then only I'm going to show you the page.
Ma'am,
Okay, beat it.
कैसा
Trisha, this is very, very strange. You don't know how to write. Where is your book? Where is your book? So, where is the heading written? Where is the heading written? Why don't you follow? ध्यान से सुना करो बच्चे. I will not tell again and again. I will tell it 3 times. I will repeat it 3 to 4 times. That's it. You have to pay attention, dear. Okay, Trisha? I think so. There is a TV switched on in your room. Is it? क्या आपके रूम में टीवी चल रहा है? Open your camera, mic. I can hear the sound of some television near your room. Open the mic. हाँ, अब बंद हुआ है. Please make it sure that there is no television or something on in your room. If it is there for your younger brothers or sisters, then please close the door of your room. अपने रूम का दरवाजा बंद रखिएगा. Gitanshi, open your camera. अच्छा, your camera is open, but there is some network failure. Okay, ready, children? I'm sharing the screen with you all. Nishant, Gitisha. Nishant, your camera is coming off. Gitisha, please rejoin. Gitanshi, sorry. Gitanshi, please rejoin.
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot see your camera. Right, children, start writing this quickly. Quickly start writing this, then only we will be able to do the next classwork. So these are the subtraction facts which I already discussed with you all. Start writing them quickly.
Ma'am,
Yes, Shanvi.
what you write T and after then
Which word, dear?
SUBT?
TRA. Subtracting. First sentence is by subtracting 1 from a number, we get previous numbers. We get previous number. Numbers नहीं होगा, number होगा. ठीक है? Just remove that S. Wait a second.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Hanishi, no talking. Keep writing. Okay, after writing that, this write the examples. 7 minus 1 equals to 6. 12 minus 1 equals to 11. Then the second point says, when a number is subtracted by itself, when a number is subtracted by its from itself, the difference is 0. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference means when we subtract some number from some number, the difference, that is the answer, is 0. Excuse me. Example is written 5 minus 5 equals to 0. That is the same number. 5 and 5, same number. 5 minus 5 equals to 0. And 11 minus 11, that also gives you 0. So this is the second point. If everybody has completed the first point, then I will show you the third point. Okay.
Writing second point.
Okay, I'm showing you the second and the third point now.
मैम ऊपर वाला दिखाओ ना मैम.
Trisha, you will not speak in Hindi. If you speak in Hindi, I will not going to listen you then. The third point, C point says, subtracting 0 from a number means no subtraction. No subtraction. The difference is the number itself. When any number, from any number, 0 is subtracted. When from a number 0 is subtracted, that means nothing is subtracted. Okay? So the answer will be the number itself. 2 minus 0 gives you 2. 18 minus 0 will give you 18. Why? Because nothing is subtracted from the number. Write it down and start sending me if you have done. Write maths, classwork, today's date, start sending. Maths, classwork, today's date, start sending. There are 2-3 children who are not sending me their DWTs. There are 2-3 children. Gitanshi, sit straight and start writing. I can see you. You have to write yourself. Mama will not write. Gitanshi single. You are Aryan, just a second. Mic off. Start writing fast. Gitanshi, are you eating something? I told you earlier also that in the class you're not supposed to eat anything. In the break you can. Then don't chew. Finish your work fast, Gitanshi. You're not sending me your homework, Gitanshi. There are few children who are not sending me their homework. I will not be able to give you marks. You will get 0 then. Those who are not sending me their homework will get 0 in their assignment. Good, Vihan. He's the first one to send, but Vihan, you're not sending your homeworks to me. Vihan, why is your homeworks not coming to me? Open your mic and tell me. Vihan Chowk, are you doing your homework?
मैम कौन सा होमवर्क?
I am not receiving your homework. You're sending me classwork, but you're not sending me homework. Hmm? 13 July Hindi classwork, 14 July Hindi classwork, 15 July English, GK and computer classwork, but I'm not receiving your homework. Vihan, what happened, dear? Are you doing your homework or not? You will not get more, marks for that then. होमवर्क कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं?
कर रहा हूँ.
Say in English.
I am doing.
Then why are you not sending it to me?
I forgot. Say it again.
Vihan, answer.
I forgot.
You forgot. Then how can I give you marks? From the day I'm not coming, I'm not receiving your homework as well. I'm only receiving your test and your classworks. That's it. The last homework which I received from you was in the month of June. In the month of June. That was the last homework I received. On 28th June, I received your last homework. Vihan. 28th June was your last homework given to me. After that, I'm not receiving your homeworks. I will not be able to give you marks. You will get 0 then, dear.
Say it when I will not do it again. Say it. I will not do it again.
Sir, it's the responsibility of the parents because the children are very small. The parents have to send the homeworks daily because children are very small. They are learning how to send the homeworks. I'm teaching them. But if they have not learned how to send the homeworks, it's the responsibility of the parents to send me the homework on time. Okay, rest of you, please start sending me your classwork one by one. Vihan, from today onwards, start sending me your homework, all the homeworks you have done. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
We have only 9 minutes left. Finish this fast, then I will show you the next copy. In the next period also, we can continue. Have you all done this? Name yourself. Yes, Nishant?
My mother is outside.
Okay, no problem. When she comes, then send your work.
Ma'am, I have not written.
Do you have a phone, Nishant, at home?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can click the work. You can click the work and send it to me if you have WhatsApp and if you know my number. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Then you can send me yourself. You're a smart boy. You will click the picture, hold the phone properly like this. Click it on the top. You have done it earlier also. And you will find me, Tulika ma'am, in your mama's WhatsApp and write below your picture, your image, maths classwork and today's date and send it to me. Good, Nishant. Like this, you all will send your work when your parents are not there. Parents, kindly teach them only to send me the work in the WhatsApp. Do not teach them anything else. Just how to open the WhatsApp and click on my number. That's it. That will be easy for you and me both if your child learn this much. Trisha Vada, speed up. Because almost many of the children have sent me. Yes, Aryan, what you have to say it in English. These things always come in diary app, dear Aryan. Always they come in diary app. If they will not come in diary app, then I will tell you that, okay? You are also not sending me your homework. You have to send me it by evening when your parents come. Or ask your brother to send me. Your homework is also not reaching me. You will get a 0. You'll get an anda. Do you like to eat anda? No. Vihan likes to eat anda. Aryan, don't go anywhere. Sit over here. Aryan, no. Okay, I think so many of you have done. Trisha, have you written? Trisha, have you written? After this, then we have a very small exercise to do. We will do horizontal subtraction. Okay, in the next page. I will show you how it is to be done. Yes, Charvi, what do you have to say, dear?
Ma'am, I send you.
I have seen, beta. I've seen. I received your work. Aryan, why is your camera off, dear? Aryan, Charvi, what happened? Why is your camera off? Aryan Rashputre. Have you finished writing, Aryan? We have 5 minutes left. I'm closing this now. Okay? Who said that? Aryan, again your camera is off. Don't keep your camera off, dear. Aryan, are you there in the class or not? Okay. Then I'm putting you in the waiting room. Gitanshi, your camera is off, dear. Keep your camera on.
मैम दिखा दीजिए ना, मैं कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है मैम.
Which point, which number you're doing, Ritisha?
Ma'am, second wala.
Second वाला.
Ritisha, you're writing slow. You're writing very slow. Wait. Sharing it again. Wait a second. There's only few minutes left. There's only few minutes left. How to share? That's it. Write fast. Aryan, I'm putting you in the waiting room because your camera is coming off. Very good, Trisha. Good girl. Ritisha, write fast. Gitanshi, I'm putting you in the waiting room. Your camera is coming off. Gitanshi, I'm putting you in the waiting room. Gitanshi, are you there? Okay, fine. I'm putting her in the waiting room then. If you will not listen to me, then what can I do? Ritisha, write fast. Naisha, if you have sent me, I have received your work, remove your phone or tab, whatever is in your hand. You're not supposed to see that phone. Keep it away. If you have sent me the work, read the sentences, learn them because tomorrow I'm going to hear it. Learn kariye. Parv, don't play with your book. Parv, don't play with your book. It will get torn away. All right, only 1 minute is left. Only 1 minute is left. Ritisha, take a screenshot if you have not taken it. You will get this work in the school diary app also. All right. You will get this work in the school diary app. All right. So now in the next period, I will explain you the last exercise which you have to do. And then we are going to discuss on English. Okay. Okay. And very small activity we will do. A very small activity. All right. So let's meet in the next period. Bye. Take some break. Take out your English books and copies, English grammar. Bye, all of you.
Yes.